Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the rear window wiper on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. Guys, if you need to find where that fuse is located, please do not waste any money on parts tools diagnostics. If your rear window wiper does not work, it could be quite simple fix such as a bad fuse. And guys, after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Rear window wiper fuses relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee right here, guys. Now, depending on the year model, we have two different types of fuse boxes. We'll cover both. The first one, guys, okay, in either case, we need to open the hood, and facing the engine on the left side is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover. Underneath, we have a fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 year model. This is 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. For the rear window wiper, let's explain first about 2011 to 2013 year model. Guys, we need to check one fuse, and it's known specifically as fuse M24. You see that 25 amp fuse? Okay, guys, that's the one that you will need to check here. Now, if you have 2014 to 2022, things will differ completely. It's completely different fuse box, and specifically here we need to check fuse number 68. So if we zoom in, okay, this right here, guys, is 65, 6, 7, 8, 68. This 20 amp fuse is for the rear window wiper. You don't have a relay. The relay function most likely is controlled by the BCM, the body control module. So if you still have problems with it, you may want to check fuses relays for the BCM module. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that, guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model. They may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.